Jinobi, this is not fair. How many times will I tell you this? You're supposed to be working with me on this, not against me. What do you mean? Guy, for once in your career, play for the team. You know what, just do your thing, I'll do mine. Right, let's see who wins.
Can you leave the road?
What is wrong with you? Do you want to hit me?
Do you have to jog on the road? Jog on the side. On the side.
There's enough space on the other side for you to move. Please move.
Who is this?
Any of this?
Sorry, can you?
Very unconventional, I know, but it's attention grabbing. It pulls people in. And that's what we want. An idea that can keep people glued.
Yeah, it's fine. But the mock pitch I got here from D is different from yours.
So what are we talking about, Jinobi? This is my account, right?
Well, yes. Good morning, sir. Yes. Good morning, D. How are you?
Oh, good. Sandy,
Jinobi,
how's your night?
why are you sending mock designs on a concept that we haven't concluded on yet?
Remember you gave me the permission to do that this morning? Or did you take it back without letting me know?
Sir, we need you to clarify something right now because someone has to play lead while the other assists.
You can play assist, I don't mind.
Oh, no. Now listen, you both. There's no need to quarrel here. All right? What's important here is the client. And I also want people to know this. EMS is becoming a giant in Africa commerce. And we need this pitch to grow this company. All hands must be on deck. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir, we are doing that.
No, we are not. You're trying to sabotage me, thereby sabotaging the entire campaign.
Your ideas stinks, and you won't listen because you're a pusher.
I'm a pusher. I am self-motivated. and determined. My ideas are innovative.
You are the only one that believes a woman proposing to a man with a car is innovative. Everyone else sees it shockingly bizarre and preposterous.
Jinobi, the fact that you're too feeble-minded to grasp the concept of things doesn't mean you should bring it this way. Don't bring it to this.
Oh, quiet you two. Quiet you two. This is not a wrestling arena. Alright? I hope you both know this. It's only the client that is important in this, and all hands must be on deck. Well, I'm going to sort this out. You bitch. The marketing manager will be here. And whichever one he picks takes the cake.
Fair enough. Thank you, sir.
Sandra dear, I know you're upset. This is not about you. It's about the company. And all hands must be on deck to get this done.
Sir, you don't believe I can do this? Because I taught Jinobi everything he knows. Don't let his arrogance fool you.
Oh, I believe you. I do believe you. But I was sent here to put out the fire. And that's just what I'm doing.
Thank you very much, sir.
It's okay. Now you take it easy now.
Yes, sir.
My name is Kennedy. I'm your new neighbor. I moved in 2 days ago.
Aren't you the weird driver from this morning?
Anyway, please, I need you to help me with something. Do you know any good electrician around here? Because I've been calling the management, but the number is not going through. My water heater is not working.
Did you switch it on the wall?
I did. I'm not stupid.
Zero 0902 465 2011.
You said 2011?
You know how it is. I'm always busy. I know. It's. Mommy, hold on. What are you doing here?
I'm sorry, I knocked, but the door was open.
So you just decided to invade my privacy?
No. I thought you said come in, but it was later I realized that you were on the phone.
So what is it?
So the phone number you gave to me has 10 digits in it instead of 11?
Hmm. It's 2011, not 211.
Right. You see, that's what I was trying to confirm downstairs.
Sorry, Mom. Some weirdo just walked into my apartment. Tell Jenny that I'll try, honestly. That's my job that I don't put in 100%. And it's not like I don't want to visit you guys. I really do. But no. What's going on? Management, why is your number not going through?
So everything is working perfectly now. Huh?
Yes, sir. Everything is fine.
It's alright. Alright, thank you so much. Alright, thank you. Hey, I'll call you. I was about to call you back. I'll call you back actually. Hi again.
Has the electrician gone?
Yeah, he just left. Apparently there was something wrong with the wiring.
So everything is fine in your apartment now?
Yep. Why do you ask?
Because there's no light in my apartment. It's like he switched off my own and then put yours on.
You know what? I'll call him back. Uh-oh. His number is switched off.
No. I have lots of work to do. A major deadline to catch up on, and this stupid colleague is trying to take my account. Ah!
Do you want to come and work in my apartment while I keep trying to reach him? Are you sure you don't want to eat anything?
I'm fine. I had dinner at work.
That's sad. I mean, wow.
I eat at work because I hate going to bed on a full stomach.
Okay, that makes sense. Do you need help?
How much do you know about cars?
You'll be shocked.
So...
Your colleague was right. The girl proposing with a car is just unbelievable. What about you?
No, this is not about me, so focus.
But still, would you buy your boyfriend a car?
Well, I wouldn't know. I'm single and I hated my last boyfriend. Like, I wouldn't even lend the bastard a wheelbarrow, honestly. So, how about you? Would you get a car from a girl?
Depends. But definitely not from my ex. She's going to make me write it on my forehead. Hey, everyone, look! I bought Kennedy a car. So
Okay.
no.
So, what of your present girlfriend?
There is no present girlfriend.
Okay.
So, the automobile company wants to infiltrate the Nigerian market?
Yep.
Then why use one car?
Oh, is their hit vehicle and... Oh. You want me to use variety, right?
Yep. We're different people. A young man, a young woman, a family of 4, someone in their 60s. We use different cars, but just not the exact same type.
I think I have an idea. Not bad, neighbor. You should come work for us.
Yeah, I just don't think you guys can afford me.
Very funny. Kennedy, this is so good. So good.
Thank you.
So, this is all you, and you don't have a restaurant?
Mm-hmm. It's a work in progress. A very tough one.
What's the challenge?
Nah, I don't want to bore you with it.
You can't find a decent place? You think you're gonna fail? Finance? I knew it was finance. It's always finance in this country. Always. But if I'm to advise you, I would say start small. Starting small doesn't mean mediocre. You know, right?
Exactly.
Oh, you can invest money somewhere, till it multiplies. What's the worst that can happen?
The worst that can happen is that I'm going to lose my life savings.
Well, how many percent is this?
This is just like 12%.
12. Jeez, Kennedy, are you trying to get me drunk?
Whoa, okay. How drunk are you?
I'm sober enough to know that when you have a good idea, you see it through to the very end. Even if it means losing everything.
Yeah, don't worry about it. I have a guy in mind. I'll reach out to him and I'll let you know how he goes, right?
I have to go.
Yeah. Oh. You okay? You sure? You good?
Thank you very much, Kennedy.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Thank you.
Yeah. That's my apartment.
Yeah. Good night.
Yeah, good night. Your laptop.
My love. Good night,
Yeah.
Kennedy.
Good night. Oh, your phone.
My phone.
Yeah.
Thank you. Kennedy, you're the best.
All right.
Good night.
Yeah. Good night.
Cheers. You've done it again. The art was exceptional. Congratulations.
It came from an excellent mind.
You can say that again.
So I'll have to go back to the office.
Now go on now.
Okay. Hope you're taking notes.
Sit. Mm.
Hey. So I wanted to invite you over for drinks to say thank you for your help in my project. Want to come in? So, basically, I expected her to be unbiased when I had a fight with my little sister. As she should, she's our mom. But she wasn't, and I don't think I ever really got over it.
What about forgiveness?
I've forgiven them. I have. But I just feel more at home when I'm alone. You know?
And you can't even spare Easter.
Ken, you're judging me based on one stupid phone conversation.
No. I'm not judging you. I'm just trying to understand.
Well, it's not all bad because I feel like I've evolved. I'm stronger, smarter, richer.
I get what you mean. I do. But all I'm saying is that life is too short to live it feuding with your parent.
I'm not feuding.
My dad became critically ill 4 months ago.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
It's okay. It's okay. He didn't remarry after my mom died. My sister currently lives with him. And I came back here just so I could be closer to him.
Oh, you're such a good son.
I try.
What you doing?
Call your mom. Tell her you'll be coming home for Easter.
It doesn't work that way, Daddy. I need to use the restroom. Okay.
Hey.
Okay.
Okay. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Probably should go.
You probably should.
Oh, here you are, Sandra. I was
Good
just
morning,
looking
sir.
for you. Good morning.
Hope all is well.
Absolutely. Everything is fine. Clients, very special clients actually. Dad Fashion Limited. They're celebrating their 15th anniversary.
Oh.
And then I thought it was a good time to reward you for getting us that year's job. Here.
Thank you very much, sir.
That's an invite. Thank you.
It's a couple's evening.
Absolutely. Go look for someone beauty. That's you go there.
What? You want to come?
I think the better question to ask is, would you like to go alone to a couple's event? And secondly, you are kind of the archetype of a loner. Assuming people could drop from the sky without a family. That would be you. So of course, I would do you the honor.
Oh my god. You really thought that would work? D, if you want to go for this event, just beg me. Grovel a little. So, go on. I like to hear the Ghanaian accent.
Please, can I come along with you?
I'm sorry, I didn't hear that. Just come again.
Please, can I come along with you?
That's better. And you admit I'm better than you.
Good riddance, Sandra. And enjoy your lonely walk to a couple's event.
So you really think I would go for this event alone? Guy, I can invite you just so you see the new improved version of a man I'm going with. But I'll save you the heartbreak.
Whatever.
Hello. Kennedy.
Hi.
Hey.
Hi.
So, my office is having this dinner, and I wanted to find out if you'll be free to come with me.
Hi, honey. Hi.
Hey.
Hello.
What? It's your man Zeribe.
Yes, that's me. Do I know you?
You don't remember me?
Oh, are you one of Kenny's friends?
Well, I'm his neighbor, but...
Oh, you're his neighbor. We were just speaking about you a few minutes ago in the kitchen. What a coincidence, honey.
So you really don't recognize me?
Oh, honey, I am horrific with faces. Have we met before?
Becca, Dami, you had this weird addiction to sausages and you could take like 10 in 5 seconds.
Head girl?
Don't call me that.
No! Oh my gosh, Sandra, you look so beautiful and different and chic. Oh my goodness, you are so different. Can you believe it, honey? My high school friend and my boyfriend living in the same building. Ugh.
So, let me just leave you guys so you can catch up, yeah? So, we really should hang?
Yes, we should really hang out soon. Becca
We should.
would flip if she heard about this.
I know.
Thank you so much for coming.
Yeah, so, bye.
Bye. Nice seeing you.
You too.
Oh, honey, can you believe it? I cannot believe that she has been here. If you told me earlier, I wish I knew earlier. We could have been spending so much time with her.
What?
I'd like to explain what you saw yesterday.
What is it?
At least give me the chance to explain. Look, it's...
Not interested.
Wait, sir.
We're here.
It was a beautiful event. Thank you for choosing me to go with you.
You're welcome.
But wait, what happened to Mr. Perfection? Come on, I just want to know what happened to him. Was he unavailable? Was he too busy for you? Or is he a ghost?
He has a girlfriend. Yep. Very crappy situation.
By the way, you're talking about him like you're very sure about him. Are you sure? Are you sure that's his girlfriend?
Trust me, those people are in a relationship.
But you know, guys can be like that sometimes. They just have one standby chick somewhere and until they find the woman of their dreams. So you wouldn't know now.
D, if you defend this guy one more time, I'll throw you out of this window.
Look at you. I hope you're fine though.
I am. I just feel I've saved myself from future heartbreak. Yep.
Once again, thank you for choosing me. In fact, thank you for choosing me over Mr. Perfection.
Ah,
I'm
I knew
humble.
this would happen. I knew this would happen. Please go. Bye-bye.
Good night, Sandy.
Good night, D. Go.
Really? No, you can't tell me that now. You're supposed to be the expert in this. This was your deal. How did you not perceive this? I'm gonna have to call you back. I'm just coming from the apartment. Really? Is that it? You're going to pretend like I don't exist? Sandra!
You know what's a good recipe for heartbreak?
D, I'm not heartbroken.
Why are you lying?
Honestly, maybe I'm a bit disappointed, but there's a difference.
Anyways, Claire's Jewels is upping up their game to a luxury brand. I'm thinking of doing what you did with Diadem. You know, picking out a statement piece, rep the whole brand. What do you think?
I hear you. Copycats.
You inspire me though. But I'm not saying that for your head to explode, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, so let's pick up the banging jewelry.
Alright, so let's look at this first.
Why are you leaving?
Yeah.
I thought you were supposed to grab some drinks later.
I'm really tired, D. Yeah, I have to go. So aren't you leaving?
No, I still at work.
Oh, okay. So see you then. Bye.
Hey, head girl! Mwah! Mwah! You look fabulous!
Thank you. What are you doing here?
Oh, well, I just got a new car, so I'm test driving around town.
And you decided to test drive to my office.
Mm-hmm.
How do you even know where I work?
Oh, I hustled out of Kennedy. I was so bored at home. And you know what? There are limited people to hang out with here. So, you want to go for a drive?
No, I have my own car.
Oh, no! My driver will take care of it.
It's your
No. But to be honest,
God.
Sandra, I never pinned you for an ad executive. I always thought for some reason the head girl would be like the big three, a lawyer, a doctor, and engineer,
So people really call it that?
Uh-huh.
The big three?
Uh-huh.
Well, advertising has been like taking ice cream on a sunny day for me. Sweet. Well, until my boss died and his son took over. And this guy turned the company into his personal ATM, bankrupting it.
Oh my gosh.
I know. But apart from that, awesome. It's been great. So you, Isioma, you're doing well.
Well, I'm trying, living my best life.
Baby, enough with the modesty. Like I'm here trying to revive a struggling company and you're out there buying cars out of boredom.
Please, Sandra, stop. I was bored and I was alone. Do you like the food?
It's amazing. It's
I
amazing.
love it.
Honestly, this.
I love it so much.
Oh. Mm-hmm.
Sandra, can I ask you something about Kenny?
Sure. What?
Is he happy? I mean, since he moved here. I'm just concerned about him. About how he just up and left his whole life for some family issue.
His father is sick.
I know, but he had a whole life. We had a whole life in Abuja. And he's leaving because his father is sick with dementia? It happens. Literally, the man is old. And besides, Kennedy is not a doctor. But do you think he's happy? He claimed that moving down here would bring him peace. Does he seem like someone at peace? Because I'm ready to drag him back to Abuja. I know. You're just thinking, look at this selfish little brat.
Maybe a little self-absorbed.
I know, but what was I supposed to do when he left us? He just left and he didn't care about how it would make me feel. So, are you going to help me talk to him?
About what?
About moving back to Abuja.
Isioma, you want me to convince Ken to choose between you and his sick daddy?
Oh, come on. Don't put it like that.
But that's what it is. Like, I'm picturing myself in his shoes, and how would I feel if someone gave me this kind of advice when I have a sick father?
Come on, head girl.
No. It's... I don't know, really.
Fine. fine. As it is, I'm definitely going to be staying much longer than I anticipated. So, I need more clothes. You want to go shopping? Yes!
Actually,
Where? Can I get the bill? You are going to love this place. They have the best pieces. Hey, baby.
What's this? A new car?
Yes?
I thought you said you were test driving it.
Oh, well, I paid for it while we're shopping.
Why are you buying a car you don't need? It's not like you live here.
Why do you even care? It's not like the money is coming out of your pocket or anything.
Are you okay?
Sandra, I'm sorry. I know I hurt your feelings. I should have been upfront with you.
Are you okay? Because you can't be this pissed because of a car.
What do you care?
Believe me, I would love to ignore you, but there's something off about you. I don't know, the long calls, the walls are thin, Ken. So I hear you. And you just getting so angry because of this car. Something is off. Okay, I tried.
I think I may have been scammed.
What? You think you may have been what now?
My friend, Yemi, he's been trying to buy an oil well in Delta State, and I decided to join forces with him and invest. We paid for everything last week.
And you think this whole thing was a 419 scheme?
I don't know, he called me and he said that he took some of his workers to go to the site to commence work, only for them to be arrested by the actual owners.
Oh my god, how did you know he was being scammed?
I don't know. Look, everything checked out. I saw the documents myself. I feel like I'm such an idiot.
Ken, don't beat yourself up. Yeah, and now's not the time to feel sorry for yourself. You need to figure out what the next steps you take are.
I think that I just want to hug at this point.
Isioma, are you sure this is the right thing for him? I mean, the guy is still mourning his loss.
I know, he's having a tough time, and that's why I got him this relieving, simple, and intimate celebration for my Kenny.
Should I be here for all of this?
Oh, of course you should. You are his friend that he listens to.
Excuse me?
I'm telling you, Sandra, all the advice I give him goes in through one ear and out the next. But with you, he listens word for word.
Okay. The only advice I gave Ken was that he should inform me about his situation and also formally report his version of events to the EFCC. That's all. I hope I didn't cross any boundaries.
Oh, of course not. I'm actually thrilled, and that's one of the reasons you're here at lunch. I'm going to bring up something later, and I need your support, okay?
Okay, but what's that?
Oh, nothing serious. Let me use the bathroom. I'll be back.
Hey, you.
Hey. So, I went by your flat, but you weren't there.
happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
You forgot your own birthday. Dude, you need to slow down.
Right.
Ha.
So, I met your guy.
Please call him Mike.
Yeah, Mike. He said they already had the case on their table.
Okay.
The case is originally a Delta State case, as it was reported from there. But he says he'll look into it and let me know.
That's good, right? That's good.
Yeah. Although they called in Yemi for questioning, I called him and there's nothing to hide. He's everyone's fault guy.
Well, so how about you? Are you okay?
Oh, honey, you're back! Oh, I missed you so much. Oh, that's the food. Let me get the food. Oh, Kenny, I told Daddy about it.
Oh God.
It wasn't anything like that. He was very shocked and sad for you.
I'm sure he's already analyzing 100 ways that I got it wrong.
No, he feels like you were cornered by that Yemi guy into investing your life savings in a hit or miss deal.
It wasn't my life savings and it wasn't Yemi that contacted me. I contacted him after Sandra gave me an idea.
Oh, so this whole thing is from Sandra.
What? No.
Sandra gave me an advice that led to me reaching out to Yemi. There's nothing to it.
I believe you. You see, I told you he doesn't listen to me.
Can we not do this, please?
Not do what? I'm speaking my truth. My own boyfriend cares about every other person's opinion but mine.
You see, come on now.
Oh, and it's not just you, Sandra. It's everybody. It could be the gates man, the woman across the street, his bloody dry cleaner, anybody but me, Kenny.
Unbelievable.
Hello? Yeah, I'm available. What? Excuse me, this is important. Yeah, I can hear you. What?
What's your end game here? Organizing this. My actual birthday is next week.
Not everything is a ploy, Kenny.
Everything is a ploy with you. Hey. Aren't you coming inside? Your food is getting cold.
Are you serious? I feel like I'm walking into a landmine.
Yeah. Things can go really awkward very fast with this Yoma. It's a stock in trade.
Come on now. She's only trying to make you feel better.
I know. I'm just venting. Also, today is not my birthday.
It isn't.
Mm-hmm. It's next week, actually.
Safe to say, happy birthday in advance.
Yeah. Thank you. I'm happy that you're here.
Hey, party's inside. What are you guys doing here?
Actually, you see, I have to go. There was something you wanted me to do for you. What was that?
It's fine.
Yeah? Okay. So, bye.
going to the room.
Daddy wants you to have this. Go on, take it.
How much is that?
Any amount you want it to be.
You know how I feel about receiving money from your father.
Kenny, this would be a very good time for you to check your pride. If the tables were reversed, I would take your money.
It's not pride. It's self-respect. Okay, your dad
Is what? Loving, kind, empathetic enough to know that you need a leg up.
I don't need it from him. Okay, I know your father. I've worked with him. There's always a catch. So please tell him I said thank you, but no.
All I do is love you. Hence my undeniable efforts to make this work. But all you do is say no to everything. No to moving to England. No to Daddy helping you with your restaurant. No to this. And then you move all the way here?
To come and take care of my sick father.
You are not a doctor, Kennedy.
You see, if you care enough about me, you will support my decision to come back here and take care of my only surviving parent.
And frisk around with your neighbor? You think I don't know? How stupid do you think I am? I see how you behave around her. Talking about your sick father.
You see, I've had a long day. I'm exhausted. I'm going to the room.
So you won't even deny it, Kenny? You won't even deny it, Kennedy? You won't even try to deny it!
Who's there?
Ken.
Come in.
Whoa.
It's Saturday. I scrub and exfoliate. Deal with it. Why are you here? Where's your girlfriend?
She left.
Left. To Abuja.
I don't know, she just left.
Are you guys broken up?
When I left Abuja, I thought we were done, and then a few days later, she showed up at my door.
And she knew exactly where you were staying.
Well, I told her where I'll be staying before the non-breakup breakup.
Ken, is it relationship or breakup advice that you're looking for from me? Because I got neither for you.
Can I just sit, please?
Sure. You want to get a loan from the bank?
Yeah, I can't just sit and do nothing, okay? All the investors I had in mind are not forthcoming, so yeah, I have to borrow some money from the bank and get this show on the road.
Well, I know a guy who's big on investors, so I'll put in a good word for you.
Who are you? Thank you. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Okay.
What of your girlfriend? She's pretty rich.
You know our last fight was because of you, right?
What?
Yeah, she knows about us.
There is no us. You made her understand that, right?
I don't care if she understands it or not. I'm just glad that she knew.
Knows what? Kennedy, there is no us.
I know. Look, I don't care. She can believe whatever she wants to believe. I'm going to make sure that I put an end to this, and I'm going to do it right this time.
Ken, I don't want to be dragged into this.
And I promise you, you'll not be, okay?
I like it.
Is that good or bad?
Oh, it's quite impressive. I know a couple of people who would be interested in, fine food, cool, breezy scenery, exquisite cuisine, live band, all the work. So it's quite good. It's quite impressive.
So you're in?
Yes, but I have to consult a few people, 1 or 2 people, but this guy good. Yeah, okay, that must be my 11 o'clock appointment. Yeah, come on in.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello, Mr. Osagi. It's nice to see you.
It's a pleasure. Sit down.
Thank you.
Isoma, hi.
Hello.
You two know each other? Well, this is Sandra. She's practically my best staff here.
Okay, sir, I'll be on my way now.
Absolutely. Now you can hold this.
Okay, sir.
All right, Mr. Osagi. It's time to get down to business.
Yes. I was actually thinking we should make her the head of the new accounts.
None of that will be happening. In fact, moving forward, major changes are going to be made around here.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Hey, Ken. So, quick update. Everything went great. And I gave him your contact, so you definitely want a meeting. So please keep your phone close. You're welcome. Ken, please don't disappoint me. I beg you, go with your A game. Okay, yeah. Also, something weird happened at the office today. Isioma came by and had a meeting with my boss. Oh. Okay.
Oh, thank you so much. Funny, she just drove into the compound. Sally, I have to call you back.
What? You're not going to let me in?
I thought you left.
I did. But I'm here now. I'm not like you who runs away after every little fight. I stick around for mending. Kenny, you have to stop doing this. It's embarrassing.
What were you doing with Sandra's boss?
Oh, I see. Your little side thing told you about our encounter, didn't she?
Just answer the question.
I was running an errand for Dad. It was strictly work. But you know what's funny? The fact that our last fight was about that little thing. And here we are again talking about her. She has you wrapped around her little fingers, doesn't she?
If you're so certain that we're a couple, then why are you here?
Because you're mine, Kenny. Gone are those days when that little head girl can trot in here and do whatever she wants. You are mine. And you better get used to it.
I made a mistake.
I know. And I forgive you. Men do foolish things. But you're wiser now, and that's all that matters. Come, sit with me.
I mean, I made a mistake letting you back into my life. When I left Abuja, we were truly done.
Kenny, we were both in a sad place. But that didn't mean that you should run into the arms of the next woman you saw.
Sandra and I are not dating.
Splendid.
And whatever this is, I want to put an end to this. I am done, Isioma.
Kenny, you don't mean that. We're still so young.
I mean every word. I'm tired. You don't like my family? My life choices infuriate you? It's like we're walking in opposite directions and at the same time hoping to arrive at the same destination.
Oh, and you think that little maniac that you are running around with will love you and all your flaws? Is that what you think? I am your greatest achievement, Kenny. I'm the only reason you were ever promoted in my father's company.
Whatever you say, listen.
I was going to upgrade your life. Make you worthy. Make people finally see your miserable self. But you choose that dud?
That dud is 10 times the woman you'll never be. A genuinely good human being.
Go to hell! I don't know why I would ever settle for a stupid man like you. You're worthless and you're nothing. You can both be together. You mean nothing. Girl, nothing.
You know, Sandra, we've been doing everything humanly possible to make sure that Amy&T Art Company exists in solvency. And we're succeeding.
Wow, that's wonderful news, sir.
Yes, you know, with this injection of funds from Zeli Corporations.
Nzeli, I know that name.
Yes, you met one of their bosses a couple of days ago. Isioma and Zeribe.
Isioma.
Oh yes, you know, these people are massive. They've got a lot of products in the market and they will inject a lot of funds into this organization.
So, what do they want us to do?
You know, that is the essence of this meeting. They have terms.
Terms. Sir, whatever the terms are, we can meet them. When do I start, sir?
It's you.
Me.
Yes, you know, I tried to explain to her
If
that...
someone wants you to kick me out.
See, I told her that we're one of the reasons why we're still afloat. I should have said no.
But you didn't. Because that would be a reckless decision.
They're bringing in huge finance.
Say no to one client after everything I've done for this company, sir.
These people are big.
I've closed deals. I've brought in new clients. I've closed big, huge deals for this company. But you couldn't say no to just one client. Just one client. Sir, I have trained most of the staff in this place. I've put my blood, sweat and tears in the MET company. But you couldn't say no. You just... For one client, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Sandra! Oh, I'm between the devil and the tipsy.
Remember the guy I told you about? Mr. Perfect?
Yeah, the one with the girlfriend.
They broke up.
You see what I've been telling you about tag-alongs?
His ex is Isioma and Zeribe, and she just signed a humongous deal with MET on the conditions that Mr. Osagi lets me go.
What? After all you've done? I'm going to talk to him.
She thinks I'm the cause of her breakup, and she's trying to hit me where it hurts the most.
God, this is not fair. This is not fair now. It's not fair.
Just look on the bright side. You get a raise, car allowance, wardrobe allowance. Business as usual, right?
Hey. Are you okay?
What? I'll bounce back. I missed you.
listening.
How does it feel to be you? Petty, bitter, and miserable.
Daddy, let me call you back. You have some guts speaking to me like this after destroying my relationship?
Playing the victim doesn't suit you, Sioma. You got me fired.
Oh, right after you stabbed me in the back from the front.
Let's get this straight. Ken and I have nothing to do with each other.
Oh, please, just quit playing these sick little games, Sandra. I know you. You backstabbing homewrecker. To think I was going to help you. After our little chats at the restaurants, I thought, oh, I could help her by becoming a client in this thing. But I must have been deluded to think for a second that you would ever have my back. Giving me vicious advice about my boyfriend? Nobody can snatch my man. A nobody like you, Sandra, can never have what's mine.
Your man. Didn't he dump you last week? Have a nice life, psycho.
Psycho? Did you just call me a psycho? Did you just call me a psycho?
What's going on? Why are you back so early? What's going on?
She fired me.
What?
Your girlfriend Isioma bought her way into the company. Gave my boss a ridiculous offer he couldn't refuse. Now I'm unemployed.
Oh my god, Sandra, I am so sorry.
You know, I woke up with a million things to do today, but now I'm jobless.
Sandra, Sandy.
Who's your dad?
It's there, you know?
Is it Alzheimer's?
He was diagnosed last year. He became critical a few months ago. His evenings can be chaotic, so sometimes I do pass the night to take the stress off my sister. We watch sports, play some chess, go for a walk, you know? Basically do the things that he likes.
You're such a good son.
I try. I think you should go and see them.
No. They'll see it as a victory. They might even celebrate, especially my mom. She's always hated my job.
Well, if you wait too long, you will regret it.
Mommy, you sent for me. Hope all is well.
Your cousin Sandra has been in there for the past 2 days, moping like a sad puppy. I have tried to cheer her up. Her father have tried. We both failed miserably.
And you think I will succeed?
Why not? You have your ways.
Mommy, I don't know.
Odua,
Yeah.
get in there.
Okay, Mommy, I'm going. But what if she doesn't? I'm going.
Odua, go.
I am going. I'm going. So you got fired?
Yep, I did.
Wow. That must have really hit you because your job was absolutely everything to you. That's a stupid thing for employees to do. But don't worry, you get a better job soonest. And then they realize how idiotic it was for them to have let you go.
Really?
I think I know just what to do to get you in the right mood.
What?
Let's go and have pepper rice.
I'm in no mood for that.
You don't want Shaki, Fuku, Brokoto and the rest. You know that's what you want. Let's go, Jerry. I'll fill you up.
How did it go?
She got fired.
Oh my goodness. Too bad. I feel like thanking the Lord and weeping for her at the same time. You know, that odd job took her away from us. I heard what happened. Sorry about that. It will work out for your own good at the end. Look up. You'll get a better job.
Amen. Well, I have to go.
Go where? Go now, she becomes moody again. You're the reason for her happiness.
But I have a very important meeting with a client now.
Then take her along with you.
Sandy, would you like to go out with me? We'll have shawarma at the end of my meeting.
So you like the place?
Yeah, it's lovely.
Thank you very much. So myself and my family actually relocating to the UK, and we just thought it wise to lease out the place. You know, running a business when you're not here in Nigeria, the workers will rob you off.
True.
Yeah, so we're considering a 5 years lease.
Well, I'm afraid that's a little too pricey for me. I was hoping you'd be interested in doing like a yearly rental.
Unfortunately, that won't work. That won't work because my husband is insisting on the lease. You know, this kind of business is actually really difficult to, you know, stabilize, you know, when you're starting. So we don't want to be disturbing you for rent and all of that. So we'll just be comfortable with a 5 years plan, yeah.
I can pay for 2 years if you want.
You might want to reconsider. This place, good ambience, the clientele base is already here, the location is prime. You know, everything works for you. The clientele base is already here. Trust me, you might want to think about it, okay?
I was hoping you would reconsider your decision.
Unfortunately, my husband wouldn't even hear of it. He's insisting on the 5 years lease. Think about it, Kennedy. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Udua, I told you I wanted something in the city, not on the outskirts of town. This is too far.
But it's actually the acres you asked for. Besides, it has good route network.
That's besides the point.
I'm sorry to intrude, but isn't it a school you're looking to build here?
Yes, it is.
Well, in my opinion, we don't have a problem. Because I, for one, went to a boarding school in the outskirts of town. And what matters is the quality of education and the facilities you provide for the children. And students will come in from far and near. So location shouldn't be a problem.
Okay, I'll talk to my partners and see what they think about it.
Or you could join us and see the place for yourself. you know, visualize the classrooms, the laboratories, the libraries, fields, and your office.
Okay, not bad.
Seeing is believing, you know. I'm ready if you are.
Okay.
So let's go.
Yes, ma. No, not at all. You have no worries at all. Yes, I'll get the necessary papers across to you. Yes, thank you very much, ma. Thank you. Girl! How did you do it? You were able to convince her. You know what? Once she pays, I am going to give you a cut.
Oh, you don't need to do that.
It's my pleasure. You know what? I have some lands you have to work your magic on. I'll give you the numbers of the potential clients and you just do you. Poor girl, how do you even do it? Like, you're a very good marketer.
If I tell you, I'll have to kill you.
Ah, you want to kill me? Now that I want to make money. No.
Well, 2 of them were nabbed a few days ago. Word on the street is they are going to pay the victims.
You're going to get your money back, right?
Maybe. I hope so. Anyway, for the bigger news, drum roll please. I've gotten a place for the restaurant.
Look at you, Ken. Doing wonders in my absence. Congratulations.
Don't congratulate me yet. He decided to go for the 5 years lease as opposed to the 1 year rent.
Cool.
Get out. Wow. I have to call you back, okay? What are you doing here and how did you get the keys?
I still have your keys, Kenny, and I came here to get my international passports. It's still in your drawers.
Hold on. I'll get them for you. Just stay here.
It was really great seeing you.
Don't be a stranger when you get back.
I won't, I promise.
And remember what I told you. When one door closes, 24 others open.
Yes, ma'am.
Open your eyes to see them.
Yes, ma'am. Sorry. I miss you already.
I miss you, baby.
Sorry. Yeah, I spoke to 2 possible buyers, and the major problem they have is the size. So apparently the land is too big. Yeah. I'll fix a meeting with the other buyers and then hopefully something will turn up. But just a quick suggestion, why do we have to sell to 1? Why not 2? Oh, I understand. Okay, but we could sell to 2 simultaneously. Yes. Okay, I'll try. Alright. Talk to you later. Bye.
Hey! Hi! How are you? I'm good. Welcome back.
Thank you.
How was your trip?
Good, good. How was your day?
I wish I could say the same. Frustrating, but I'm just hanging in there.
I can imagine. Well, I got something for you.
And what is this?
This is the balance you need to pay for the place.
No, Sandra, I can't take this. I mean, where did you even get the money from? Didn't you just lost your job? I can't take this.
I get a better job. This is my first pay as a realtor.
And you want to give it to me? Come on, we know that you need money for a lot of things.
Kennedy, I made you invest your money and you lost it.
It wasn't your fault. Okay, you didn't even introduce me to the guys.
You know what? See this as a loan. Pay me back when your business is stable.
I love you. I mean, thank you.
I have to go freshen up. I'll see you later. Yeah?
You sold it. How could you? You told me you were going to lease it.
But I got a better offer. It only made sense for me to have sold it. I mean, it was better than leasing it out. Besides, I told her about you.
And
She's open to leasing it out to you. She really wants to meet you. Oh, she's here. The new owner of the restaurant. Isioma meet Kennedy. Kennedy meets Isioma.
Hello, Kennedy.
my goodness. This has to stop, Isioma. It's becoming ridiculous.
What is you losing and me winning?
Oh, you call this a win? Making her lose her job, buying this place, because you sure as hell know that I won't lease this place from you.
Alright. Suit yourself, Kenny. Oh, Anna. Say hello to the head girl for me.
I'm so sorry this happened. But this is not the end of the world. You'll get something better. We will get something better.
But I really wanted that place. They have a huge client base and it's so central. I don't know why Isioma wants to hurt me so bad, but that was such a good deal.
I know. Find something else. It doesn't have to be as elaborate, but we just need to market it right. And that's my strength. So don't worry. We'll be fine. Trust me. It's okay. It's okay. Oh, it's okay. Wow.
Yes, wow.
You did it.
No, you did it. You did it all thanks to you. So-